All right, the first step in making a Hotty Toddy is what I do. Hot water in, fill it up, almost to the top. Get my spoon, set it in there to warm it up. The reason I do that is because one time I didn't do it and the honey didn't melt like I liked it. So, spoon's hot, honey right on top. I do 1 big tablespoon and just kind of let it, see it, just kind of slowly melt. You'll see it slowly go away. Give it a stir. Then get your bourbon. I like Bullet. Elijah Craig's good too. 1, it's a little fast. 2, quickly cut, a little slice. Lemon. And I like 2 tea bags. This Twinings lemon and ginger is absolutely delicious. Not just for Hotty Toddies. You want it just regular hot tea. So good.